Welcome to this channel. I'm happy to have you here. So I'm Ruthie.D.analyst, a data analyst coach and a digital marketer coach. So today we're going to talk about what is data analytics. Let me just this up here. I hope you can see my camera. I hope you can see me. So this is not a rushed video. If you want a video where I summarize what is data analytics, you can check the short. You can check the short in the YouTube channel where you have shorts. You can check on shorts and see a video where I talk about data analysis, what you need to know about data analysis. So if you're starting from scratch, or you're about to go into data analysis, or you're a career teacher and you want to know everything about data analysis, this is a beginner-friendly explanation I'm about to give to you. So you just have to calm down and listen to the video. So, and I know if you've heard people talk about data analytics, but you still feel unsure what it really means, this video is for you. I'll explain what data analysis really is, what data analysis do in real job, and how data analysis is used to make decisions. So that is why I said this is not a rushed video. This is a clear explanation to help you understand the field before you even think about the tools you need to learn. This will help you understand the field. Let me ask you a very honest question. Have you ever searched what is data analysis? You've watched a few videos and you still feel stuck. Like you watch the video but you say, I don't really get it. Like you still don't get it. So if that's you watching the video, I want you to relax. Just relax. You are not slow, you are not behind, and nothing is wrong with you. Because most explanations of data analysis for beginners are just not beginner friendly. They just jump straight into big words, tools, and job titles without helping you understand the basics. So in this video, I'm going to explain what data analysis really is in simple terms. So just imagine I am talking to you one-on-one. So just calm down. I'm going to explain data analytics in a simple term. So data analysis is simply about using data to answer questions and make better decisions. Using data to answer questions and make better decisions. That's just it. That's just it. A data analyst looks at the data and asks questions like, what does that mean? Like you already have the data. So a data analyst now will look at that data and ask, what is happening? Why is it happening? What can we learn from this? So those are the questions the data analyst ask. Like what should we do next once we see a data? I said data analysis is using data to answer questions, to make better decisions. So that data now, looking at data to answer questions and make better decisions. So the question is, what is happening? Why is it happening? What can I learn from it? So those are the questions you answer most of the time from this data we're talking about. You ask, what should we do? So anytime a company wants to understand why sales drop, which product performs best, where customers are coming from, or what we need to improve, they usually use data analysis to figure it out. So that is one thing you should know. All these questions, they use a data analyst to figure it out. So now, the important part most people don't tell beginners is data analysis is not about being good at math. No. It's not about being good at math. It's not about memorizing things. It's not about memorizing things. And it's definitely not about being a genius. No, I say this all the time. I mention it when I'm talking about data analysis. I mention it in almost all my videos. Data analysis is not about being good at math. It's not about memorizing things. And it's not about being a genius. It's about thinking clearly. You think clearly, you ask the right questions, and using the data to support your answer. You might be asking, I'm saying data. What is data? The data is the information you collect. For example, you own a business. Okay, you own a supermarket. Definitely you have to collect the product sample, what the customer bought. Most companies can collect the customers patronizing them. All these are data. The information you send out, like a customer service. A customer service will definitely collect the customer. When you walk up to a company, you collect their customer name, their phone number, their email. That is the product they are interested in. So that is data. Collection of all these things are data. So now, once you have that data, how do you make better decisions with it? So that's the data analysis. So I hope you're finding this video interesting. If you're finding it interesting, please subscribe, like, and share this video, because I'm definitely sure most people need this clear explanation that I am given. So now, let me relate it to like real life examples. Let me make this very real. Like I said, imagine you run a small online business. You will notice that some days you make good sales, while other days you might not even make any sales at all, or almost nothing, or just something few. So a data analyst will look at the days sales are very high, the days sales are very high, the days sales are low, and what changed on those days. What changed on those days? So that is the work of a data analyst. Maybe ads ran on certain days. Maybe you ran ads and you saw more sales. You look at that. Maybe the price changed. That is why the sales dropped, or it went higher. Maybe traffic dropped. So those are the things data analysts will actually take note of. So that process of checking the data, finding patterns. The pattern is whether you ran ads for certain days, the price changed, then the traffic drop. Those are patterns. Finding patterns, then you now draw conclusions. So the process of checking the data, finding patterns, and drawing conclusions, that is data analysis. I hope this video is quite clear to you, making sense. Please don't forget to share, subscribe to this channel, because more explanations will be up on this channel after this one. So when people ask, what does a data analyst do? What does a data analyst do? The question, the real answer, what does a data, like a simple, clear answer, what does a data analyst do? A data analyst turns raw data into useful insights. They turn raw data into useful insights. That's the first bit. So you might be thinking, why does this matter to a beginner? Why does this matter to a beginner? Now let me tell you why this is so valuable, very valuable. especially if you are just starting. Data analysis is used everywhere. Data analysis is used everywhere. It's used in businesses, it's used in tech companies, it's used in finance, it's used in healthcare, it's used in marketing, startups, like it's used everywhere. That's why data analysis will exist globally. It can be in Nigeria while working abroad. Data analysis will exist globally. And why many people are learning data analysis from scratch today, that's the thing. That's just the reason why people are learning data analysis from scratch today. But the good news for you as a beginner is you don't need to know everything to start. Just be calm. You might be seeing people posting dashboards, posting. As a beginner, you don't have to jump. Okay, I was trying to teach somebody starting with Excel from start. The next thing I saw, the person started learning items, which I know the person has no knowledge at all being a data analyst or going into data analyst. The person just stopped learning. And the next thing I saw is he went on learning Python. Why? So being a data, not that you don't need Python, but definitely you're still going to learn Python at the moment. But it's better you start from scratch. It's better you start from scratch. So as a data analyst, as a beginner, you don't need to know everything. You don't need to learn all the things at once. You don't need to learn all the things at once. You don't need to compare yourself to anyone online. That's the example I just gave. You don't need to compare yourself to anyone online. You just need to understand the foundation, which I am explaining to you right now. And that's exactly what this channel is about. That is what this channel is about. On this channel, we'll talk about data analysis for beginners, Excel for data analysis, SQL for beginners, how data analysts think, and how to go step by step into the field. There is no rushing here, there is no confusion here. So I'm going to explain to you. Just take your time to watch the video. If you are patient enough to become a data analyst in 2026 and beyond, you need to start your career now. So if you're watching this and you're thinking, this finance makes sense, then just write it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're learning data analysis from scratch and you want explanations that actually feel like, yes, I understand, like a very simple explanation that is relatable to what you can think of. Then you should subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share to other people who want to start their data analysis journey but are really confused on how to begin. This explanation is not about tools now. It's about understanding what data analysis is really about and how companies use data analysis. So if you're learning data analysis and you want explanation that really feels relatable, then subscribe to this channel. In the next video, I'll show you how to start data analysis with no experience at all and exactly what beginners should focus on first. So just take it one step at a time. You are not late. You're not late at all. You're just getting started. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel because more explanations will be coming up. And if you want me to do a 30-day series on what data analysis is actually about, understanding it, the mistakes, the minds, if you need Python, the roadmap for beginners, how to learn data analysis while working or in school, just drop a comment. I'm going to take it one step at a time. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video. Share to friends, share to your lovers, share to your siblings, share to everyone about this video. Thank you for watching.